Alright, yeah. I'm just waking up. It's like 4 or something. You feel me? It's still early though, nigga. Still got time. First project, first time painting on some clothes. I'm gonna hit this 5 panel, just a normal 5 panel, you feel me? Nothing special. It's a little crusty. I guess it's a little crusty, but you know. And now you can't paint over. I said I just got up, nigga. Still got the eye boogies and yuck mouth and everything. So I'm about to go and wash my ass, put some food in me. You know, I'm gonna draw this out real quick. Quick shit. Nothing too crazy. Some simple, sexy. I'm not too sure what we're gonna do yet. We'll probably do like a finesse the world or something. Alright. I'll be right back. Design down. Now I'm gonna try to find like something I can draw it out with. I'll be back. I'm gonna need a substitute hat. Water soluble dressmaking pencil. Just gonna throw that on there like that. On there like that. Give me a hard surface. If y'all can see. You know, just a little bit, it ain't terrible. This is gross. It looks gross. Alright, I'm gonna just dive right into it. Don't know what I'm doing. Using the GAC 900. Don't know if y'all hip. It's like a fabric medium. Heat set fabric medium. It says to mix 1 part GAC with 1 part golden acrylic paints. I got some gold in here, you know, that's like the best brand paint to use, but I don't think it matters like what brand acrylic. I think it works with any acrylic. Allow it to dry completely and then heat set as follows. Iron, 3 to 5 minutes, medium heat. Nigga ain't eat today, can't even get it off, don't got no strength. See that? Definitely circularize on the one, but we don't let that dry. Let me see if I can find like a heat gun or a hair dryer or something. Speed the process up. Yeah. Not coming out the best. See, I got the Studio 71s. Give it one of them. Bring it back. Oh, that's plenty. That's plenty. What's that? Happy New Year. I guess it is the first. Just start gawking with it. Again, I'm not mixing nothing. Alright, and we're back. Yeah, I had to change the battery. It went dead. I was over there painting and looked up. It wasn't even recording. So. Put another layer of green on there. Way too plain. So I'm thinking about doing something to the other panels. Either I'm definitely doing something to the brim. Using the hair dryer. So how does it? What do I? I'm over here trying to do my thing. They messed up they movie upstairs. Then cut off the whole patio room. Trying to blow dry a brim. I was just trying to blow dry the brim real quick. You know, the brim, you blow dry it. I was trying to blow dry the brim. Yeah!
Are you recording?
Hit them notes.
Oh, I'm interrupting the game.
Look. Look who came. Look who came. That is Charlie, aka Chubby, aka Sir Charles, aka the baby. I'll be messing it up.
You feel like? All a part of the process.
So I am.
That's dope.
I don't know what I'm doing.
It's gonna be dope in the end though.
Cause I'm gonna have to. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing with the sides yet. But I had just like thought about this, like
Yeah.
Put the word on the brim. What should do in the pink though? What would I put in the pink?
Right.
Word.
Yeah, I gotta go. Come off my head.
Did y'all hear the pain in her voice? Oh, that's hilarious. First layer, not terrible, not terrible. It's not bad, but it's too plain. You feel me? That's all. It's too plain. I need a hard surface under there so I can get to going. Yeah. Yeah. Put that under there like that. Yeah. Oh, that's so much better. I tried to draw out the design. Very faint, but it's just enough for me to know where I'm going. Did that on both sides. FTW for Finesse the World. You know, same was on the front. Finesse the World, Finesse the World. Da da da. I painted this back strip, so I wear my hat backwards probably 96% of the time. You feel me? So that's just gonna be like another, like the brim's gonna look just like the brim. But I'm gonna paint this side pink and green. Then I'm gonna paint this side pink and blue. Alright, coming down to the last couple steps, huh? So check me out. Got the little design on the side. Right. Got that on both sides. Added the little hint of highlight or whatever. I did go ahead and do those with a lighter pink, you know, just to bring it out a little more. Now I'm about to put that blue. I'm about to put this green. Then I got this to do. And that's it. And that's it. Last couple of squirts. Come on, I need one more. That's perfect. That little perfect. Dope. Alright, I'm about to put another layer on both these holes. I don't know what y'all seeing this. I don't care that we done. We finally done. Finally. It only took 4 or 5 days. Say, man, So this shit came up. I'm paying on everything 2020. You feel me? I don't even know what's next. I got this from the thrift for $2. You feel me? It's worth at least $50 now. At least. At least. If you want to see more of these, subscribe below. Hit the notification so it lets you know when I drop something. You know I'm new to all this, but let me know in the comments what you want to see more of. You want to see like more canvas painting, more painting on clothes, hats. You feel me? Even let me know what I should paint. I'm up for anything. This is dope. This is dope. This is dope. I'm not even gonna lie, I ain't got the little strip in the. This is dope. Yeah. Okay. I see you. And we out of here. Boom, deuce.